Good morning, class. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Foxy, and today I'm gonna learn something about this. Today we're gonna learn about Five Nights at Freddy's because Five Nights at Freddy's is a horror game because I don't know what to do. Miss Foxy, can I go to the vending machine? But be quick. Okay. I only want a bag of cookies instead. Oops. Okay, put this here. Okay, let's type the number. Okay, now we have to type 20088. Okay, 20088. Ding. Okay, that worked. Yay! I got my bag of cookies. Let's eat them. 20 seconds later. I'm done eating. Okay. So you guys, we are so close at it. Because you guys are good. So you all can go home now. Yay! Coming.